Hey guys, it's Maymay and
Shannon.
Shannon is sitting off to the side. She wanted to be in the room when we told you about this one. Do you guys remember last year's Share the Love event, Cardz For Kidz necklace? Do you remember this one? I had the gold and Shannon had the silver. Yours was silver. And we still love them, still wear them. Had this one on today, so I took it off to show you. This was last year's necklace, and I'm excited to introduce this year's. Now, before I do, I want to tell you about the Share the Love event. There's going to be some stuff we pop up on the screen because I want you to be able to see the dates and all that good stuff. But Kendra Scott partners with Cardz For Kidz, and this is the second time they've done this, and it's so, so nice. What they do is if you will make a purchase from Kendra Scott on January 29th or 30th, those are the 2 days, you make a purchase from Kendra Scott the 29th or 30th of this month, and you use the code for Cardz For Kidz. Now, I'm filming this before I have the code, so we're going to put the code on the screen for you guys and also in the description. But when you make your purchase, if you use that code, Kendra Scott will send 20% of your purchase to Cardz For Kidz. This is an awesome opportunity, and let me tell you why. One, because Kendra Scott jewelry is an amazing present for someone. So if you're thinking of Valentine's Day, or if maybe you've been wanting something for Valentine's, you might could pick out a Kendra Scott piece and maybe mention to your Valentine that that's something you would like. And two, because it's a great way to think ahead. So listen to this. If you know every year there's someone you want to buy something for, maybe at Christmas or their birthday, this is a great time to not only get them a gift, but also give back while doing it, because 20% of that purchase will go to Cardz For Kidz, and y'all know how much we love Cardz For Kidz. Now, you might be new here and don't know much about Cardz For Kidz, but Cardz For Kidz is an organization that's near and dear to my heart. They send cards to children in hospitals, in rehabilitation centers. They work with domestic violence victims. They work with veterans. They work with so many different folks that need a smile. You know what I'm saying? The cards they send bring a smile to faces, and we're so happy to work with them. EK, who is the founder of the program, has always been so kind to me, and I'm so grateful to still be working with them even here in 2022. So let's talk about this. So this, I'm going to say every year, this is our second year doing it, we choose a necklace that is that year's necklace. So if you want to have the same one that we will have, this is the one, and I know you want to see it, but I'm gonna make you wait a little longer. Look at this beautiful card. They send this gorgeous card, and I want to read it to you. It says, Maymay, we are so excited to work with you again and support Cardz For Kidz. Please enjoy the 2022 Cardz For Kidz necklace. Can't wait to do so much good with you. Hugs and kisses, Courtney from Kendra Scott. I just love that beautiful card that they send, and look at this box. And this is how they come. So look, the ribbon goes all the way around, and you slide it off, and it's also, look, it's, as crafters, we'll be like, we'll be reusing this because that's who we are. And look at this beautiful necklace. I think, oh, I have it backwards. I think I have it out. Yes, I took it out of its little bag so you could see it right away. But look at the one we chose this year. This star. You are a star if you help support Cardz For Kidz in any way, by purchasing from Kendra Scott, by sending in cards. We just feel like you guys are a star, and I think this is a gorgeous choice, and I'm going to give it to Shannon for it because Shannon picked it out. You did good. I love it. It's so pretty. And this one in particular is glittered in the center. Do you see that? So you know Shannon picked it, right? No, I love it. And then if you want to wear it on the reverse, it's gold. It's solid gold. Now, they come in different insides. Where this one is a glitter like this, there's different colors, and we're calling all of those star necklaces the 2022 Cardz For Kidz necklace. Now, you don't have to just purchase this necklace. Any purchase you make on the 29th and the 30th, which will be Saturday and Sunday here in January, you 20% of that purchase will go back. Now it gets better. I love this. Kendra Scott has also offered that for every $100, every $100 order, it says if an order is over $100, they will donate a piece of jewelry to the Cardz For Kidz partner, Ronald McDonald House. So Cardz For Kidz partners with lots of Ronald McDonald houses across the country, and they will donate a piece of jewelry to them, and they can use it as a gift. They can use it for, there's so many different ways they could use that piece of jewelry to bring a smile to somebody, right? So if you spend over $100, they'll donate one piece of jewelry to one of the Ronald McDonald House charities. So if you want to shop Saturday and Sunday, January 29th and 30th from Kendra Scott, 20% of what you order, as long as you use the code. It's very important you put the code in. We'll put the code on the screen. We'll put it in the description for you, and then a portion will go to Cardz For Kidz. You guys helped us so much last year. This was such a fun event. I want to say thank you to Kendra Scott for sending us a necklace. Actually, they sent me one, they sent Shannon one, and they sent, well, let me tell you. They sent us 3, me, Shannon, and a third one. I've decided it's going to go to Shannon, Jenna, and Taylor. Jenna and Taylor love Kendra Scott like so much, and I want them to be able to have those, and I'm going to purchase myself one because I love them. So I'm going to purchase one, and it'll still do good for Cardz For Kidz. So I want to thank Kendra Scott for making my staff super happy because they're loving these necklaces. They're so excited to get them, and it's just a sweet thing to get to participate in, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to go buy, I may buy a couple things. I was on the website looking. I saw a couple things. Are you looking right now? Shannon's on her iPad shopping right now. And I think I'm going to pick up a couple things this year. When I do, I'll make sure I show you guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for all you do for Cardz For Kidz. Some of you have been asking me what I'll be doing for them this year. I'm going to be focusing them as my charity for fundraising this year. So any fundraising I do, we're going to try to do that for them. Now, we may add some others in, but I really want to help them out this year. They do such good work. And if you stuck around this long, I'll tell you one of the things I love about Cardz For Kidz and why I choose them to work with. EK makes sure these cards get into the hands of the people they should go to. He actually sort of has a requirement in place where if the hospital gets the cards, they're kind of required the way he does it to take it to recipients so they don't just sit. You know, I'm always afraid we'll send cards somewhere and they don't actually get to where they should go, but EK makes sure of that, and that is one of the reasons I'm really on fire for Cardz For Kidz. Also, the gaming platforms that they do I think are amazing. The entertainment systems that they do. So many things I love about them. We're going to leave a link to Cardz For Kidz in the description too, so you can go check out their website and you'll be hearing more. All right, if you pick up something when it comes in, please tag us on social media of maybe you're unboxing, maybe you wearing your piece. And if you have to hide it, you can just show us the yellow box. Like if it's a gift for somebody, just be like, yellow box, right? All right, guys, thanks so much for being a part of this again in 2022. We appreciate you more than you know. And until next time, bye now.